Hi, with this video, I want to show you how to use the email function, which is and the class list function. So far, we've shown you how to do the basic setup for the D2L course. I've shown you how to put stuff into the content page, both with documents and to links to videos. And we've also shown you how to create Dropbox folders, just basic ones like this test one and also one with the Turnitin. But this one, I want to show you how to use the class list function and the email function. And to do that, I want to go to active, semi-active class. It's actually over now, but I will go into this Comp 1 class from the summer. The class list shows you the students in your course, and hopefully it shows you your name as well. It's a good sign, a bad sign if it doesn't. But with this, within the class list, you can go and you can email the entire class. You click this little button above all the other buttons, and you hit email, and you see it put a check mark by everybody's name, and now you can email the entire class. You can also send them anything you want. You can upload attachments to the email. And D2L email is a closed system, so it doesn't go to Gmail. They can't email from outside the system. So everybody's kind of in the same place at the same, in the same course. I am not going to send anything to these students. It'll get real confusing. But if you just want to email certain students, you can do that. Uh, if you got 3 students that haven't turned something in, you can email all 3 of them uh, and just tell, kind of say, be careful with the FERPA and stuff. But most of the time when you do that, it's going to blind carbon copy the students. So if you say, hey, I haven't received your last essay, they won't see who else you emailed that to, which is pretty cool, actually. Also on the class list, well, actually, let me show you email. Once you start getting emails in, the best way to check your email is to get out of the course and make sure you're on your D2L homepage there, and then click on the envelope, and that's your email function. If you click on an individual email, it pulls up the same thing as doing this does. And it'll pull up all your emails. The bolded ones are ones that haven't been read. We're going to click on that. It's one I sent to myself, but uh, again, you can see where I've sent attachments to myself. I do this as backup sometimes if I don't want to walk all the way back to my room and get a jump drive. But you can reply to the email, you can forward it, you can do all kinds of fun things, just like any other email function. But the big thing is make sure you get out of your course. If you're inside a course and you click that email thing, it's only going to show you the emails from that course, and you're going to look at them kind of panic, and you're like, I sent all those emails, I don't see them now. What happened? That's because you're in a particular course, not in here. Also, if you're going between semesters like I am right now, actually, I'm just finished summer semester. All the emails from both semesters will come here. So, but to get back in the course and show you one more thing, you can go to class progress and see the students' progress within the course and when they've accessed it, their progress on certain things. I can't click on that. I don't want to show you that information. Violate FERPA. But you can also access it through the class list. You're going through the class list and you kind of see somebody hasn't been in the class in a while. You can click on their name. You can click on this little arrow and go to progress, view progress. And this will show you individually what you can see with all the students on the class progress page. But Joyce Mitchell's a dummy student Michael Collins set up for me. That's why she's not doing too well in the course. But you can see the grades. That kind of depends on how you have D2L set up. If you don't have the gradebook set up, that's going to be. But you can see when they've accessed content, when they've done quizzes. The neat thing is you can see when they've accessed the course. If you click on that, you can kind of see Joyce has not accessed the course very often, just twice in the entire semester. So when students say, why am I failing your course? You can go here and go like, well, you've only accessed the course twice. Sometimes students don't know we have access to that information, and it can be a bit of a surprise to them. You kind of say, no, you haven't been in the course. But hopefully it's not a gotcha tool. Hopefully it's more of an early warning kind of thing. But the class list is kind of a neat little place. especially with the email function when you can email the whole class like that. It's kind of nice. Guess that's about it. Guess we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.